Today at Mullin Machinery, we're making a video of our TRAK 2460SX. We made another video, but apparently forgot to run it in low speed. So we're just updating the video. Machine is control is dated 2013. I'm almost certain that's what the rest of the machine is. All original paint. 4.09 inch spindle hole. 2 speed ranges, low from 40 to 670 and high from 100 to 1800. Looks about a 12-inch 3-jaw chuck with reversing top jaws. The ways are in great shape. Can't feel any wear on them. Dorian tool post with a boring tool holder. Morse taper number 5 tailstock. Most of the paint's behind the chuck, so how many hours could really be on it? Really not sure how to check hours on them, but when all the paint's in the back, that's usually a sign it wasn't used real hard. There's your tailstock, and there's the roller bearing steady rest. Serial number 134CV166. 220 volt. 45 amp 3-phase. You can see the control there. It's dated October of 2013. Now bear with me, I don't run these too often, so I'm a little slow on running them, but let's see, we'll go forward on the spindle. We're at 81 RPM right now. Let's just jog it down. Just once the door shut. Okay, we're down at 41 RPM. 102 RPM. 200 RPM. Show me this side. 300 RPM. 400 RPM. 480. 580. 600 RPM. Let's stop the spindle. See if I can remember how to put it in high speed. Shift it into high speed. I just gotta remember how the control does this. So let's see. Forward, we're at 222 RPM. Okay, we have to set the spin speed. So we're going to say 800. Out of range. I forget how to do the. Okay, let's see. Spindle off. Okay. Let's go to return home. Spindle RPM. Spin speed. That's 800. Incremental set. Now, when I turned it on, I set the speed at 660, so I probably have to shut it off. I don't know how to go back and set the max speed. So well, you can watch the other video to see it in high speed, but for low speed, when you turn it on, it asks you to set a max RPM, and I set it at 660, so it'd be 10 under the max speed of the low RPM that we're making the video on. Let me just showing you jogging the axes. That's jogging with the lever. Doing it with the hand. Oh, let me go back to return. Let's see, DRO. Doing it with the hand wheels. That's your in and out. That's your carriage feed with the hand wheel. Carriage feed with the joystick. Well, there you have it. It's a good running machine. You can check us out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.